Hello, in this video I would like to talk about item randomization in version 2.1. In the previous versions you had the field on the item collection where you had to set a percentage value, and then this value was applied to all properties of your item. In version 2.1 it will change a little bit. There is now a modifier list where you can add custom modifiers or built-in modifiers. For example, here the flat property modifier. Let's take a look at it. It will apply a value between -5 and 5 to all properties. Basically it's pretty much the same, but you can also set if you want only to apply this value to, let's say, armor, you can set it here, and then this property modifier will only apply the value to armor. You have an option to switch to percentage value, so if your armor has 32, then 20% or well random number between the percentage, in this example -5% or 5%, will be applied to this value. Let's switch this one back. Then you have an option to select a rarity for this item. Yeah, you can write your custom modifiers, but for now let's just use the included examples. So if we have this flat property modifier, let's add the rarity modifier. So move it up. It's also executed in order. So first of all will the simply rarity modifier be applied, and then the flat property modifier. It is important because a rarity has a property multiplier itself. So in this case, if we pick up or if the simple rarity modifier selects the legendary rarity, it will multiply all properties by 2. If it selects a common rarity, it will multiply by 1.3, and yeah, you can change that value, of course. So first of all, it will apply, in this example, the rarity property multiplier, and then it will apply the flap property modifier to the sword. The item generator and item group generator has also changed, so it works pretty much the same as on the item collection. So if we select the pine, it has an item generator component where we generate wood, and then you can apply a modifier to that wood. Well, maybe it makes sense if you, it doesn't make sense here, but if you want to generate some other data, sword or shield, or that has basically properties on them, you can set them here in the list. The same is for item group generator, so let's select the chest. Triggers, chest. It has also a modifier list where it first of all picks up an armor and then applies the modifier to that picked item. Then we also have a list in the crafting section here where you can apply modifiers to the crafted item. So for example, if we craft this sword, then we should pick up a rarity and maybe also modify some values. Save, hit play. Okay, we got a rare rusty sword here, which has better values than the others.